Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have something truly special for all you crafters and DIY enthusiasts out there. The Formit Crafts Thermoplastic Beads. These thermoplastic beads are not your average crafting material. They're the best in the market, and I'm about to show you why. First off, let's talk about quality. These beads are made in Spain, ensuring top-notch craftsmanship and reliability. Whether you're a professional artist or just love getting your hands dirty with DIY projects, these beads are a must-have in your toolkit. Now, what sets these beads apart is their versatility. You can use them for a wide range of applications, from making cosplay accessories and costume props to crafting small decorations and ornaments. The possibilities are endless. And the best part? They're incredibly easy to use. Simply heat the beads at 150 degrees Fahrenheit, and they become moldable putty that you can shape into any form you desire. It's like sculpting with magic. And let's not forget about safety. These beads are 100% non-toxic and lead-free, so you can craft with peace of mind. Plus, they're safe to use with temperatures up to 150 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring a worry-free crafting experience. So there you have it, folks, the Formit Crafts Thermoplastic Beads. The best thermoplastic beads on the market, hands down. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, these beads will take your DIY projects to the next level. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the products you love. Until next time, happy crafting!